Let's learn how to easily embed a video on a classroom website, and we are going to use the wiki host edit me for this video. So here is a video that I've embedded on my classroom website, and let's look at how to create a page for this and use an include code. So let's say that I am a science teacher and I would like to use this video that I found on YouTube about tornadoes. Pretty cool video, 1 minute 38 seconds long. I'll stop that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to share and I'm going to get embed code, and there's options down here. I like to use the old embed code. I can change the size of the video. Let's say I want to go 640 by 480, good size video. And I could show suggested videos and all, but I don't really want to do that. That's one of the reasons I want to put it on my website, to get away from those kinds of things. Now I'm going to copy that code and I'm going to go back to my website, and what I've done is I've just gone to new. Over here on my home page I've gone to new, and you could do this on a blog or any other type of site. And for this one I'm going to call this weekly video, and notice I'm going to go ahead and run those words together. If I'm using the edit me site, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to leave it as default, and I'm going to click submit. And what I'm going to have here is a page that I'm going to use frequently to change the video. So this is why I'm going to use the include code. So let's take a look at this. First thing I got to do is go to text editor. This is a mistake a lot of people make on edit me, is they try to embed their code here in rich text, which you can't do. So I'm going to click text editor. Now I've got that code. I'm going to right click and paste. I could use a hotkey like Control V if I needed to, and I can go back to rich text and it'll show me that video is there now. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to save and close that, and then that'll come up and it'll show me that video. And there's my rather large video. I probably wouldn't want it this big if I were going to use an include code. So what I'm going to do now is I want to include this video on a different page. So let's just say that I go to a page that already exists, and I'll go ahead and put it here, although I wouldn't want it here. I'm going to edit this page, and what I'm going to do is find a spot. Let's say I just decide to put it down here, and here's the include code. What I'm going to use are brackets, 2 brackets, and I'm going to type include colon, and it's weekly video. Real important to get this right with the spaces and everything else. And I am going to put my bracket back in. I'm going to close it, double bracket, include colon, weekly video, no space, close brackets, and I'm going to save and close that. And if all has gone well, you see there, now that is there. And the nice thing about that include code is if I'm calling it weekly videos, I can come back to that page, and anytime I want to go to my weekly video page, I can just take the code out, put in new code, and that video will automatically show up here. And I can use an include code on any page. So that is embedding videos. I could of course embed it directly into any page I want, but if I want to use the include code, that is how it's done. Give it a try.